Hello people, welcome to my channel. This episode, I'm getting a bit tired of having the metal banjo on the floor, so I will put it on a pedestal to make it a little bit more convenient to use it. It's at the moment it's just standing right here. So yeah. And what will I use as a pedestal, you might ask? And I thought of that myself, and then remembered I got two of these. So I'm going to put it on top of a half of a Ford trumpet. Well, half of a Banjo axle, a full trumpet. So it has a bit of crap. It needs to be removed, or does it? It can. It's on here pretty good, so I can weld outside and make a plate over here and put the banjo on top of this. Well, I did a wooden structure under this one. One bolt here and 2 and 3. The idea is to bolt the wooden structure to a thing I weld on this one, and I can remove these 3 and take the banjo off. So I'm going to cut this pipe in half. Square tubing. It's not a pipe, really, is it? I just cleaned my workbench. So I'm going to cut this in 2. Ha! Did you really think I was going to cut this with an angle grinder? Yes, and as you can see, these are pipes I've tested some welds on, and yeah, you just reuse what you have. So I will at least have 2 inches. Cool. Yep. So now I'm just gonna weld this to the half of the banjo, and maybe cut these off. There we go. So welding next to wood like this is bleeding perfect. I don't know if you can see the welds, but it's these, and I have welded also at the bottom. So yeah, this one is really good and sturdy and was free, and I took junk I had. I don't know why I took wood, but why not? It was laying around and it fits. This one is also very easy to adjust, because I have 1 there and 2 over here, so I can adjust this so it's completely level. So I tighten this a little bit, and it's strangely good enough. So I'm having this one level, and I will measure from the floor up. So I can make in the future a stand to have, adjustable stand to have here, So I can cut really long parts with a stand over here. So if I put in 6 meter long, I buy square tubing and stuff like that in 6 meter length. It's about 400 feet. 24 feet or so. Excuse me. So yeah, but that's for a future episode. This one is ready for now. Works perfect. So there we go. This little amazing bandsaw now has a pedestal, which is quite alright. Cool. Amazing. So that's it for today's short little episode in between episodes. Car projects is coming. The Land Rover has got the bracket ready now for the tensioner pulley, so that one will come out in a few days. And this weekend we're going to a museum, a military museum in southern Sweden, and we have been to a military museum a few hours north of us. So you will see tanks and you will see Swedish cool vehicles, military ones. I'm actually going to make one film from the two museums. So yeah, if you're looking forward, so yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it 2 thumbs down. See you.